Greetings, everyone. My name is Gurleen, and today we are going to present our project, Soter Robot, an emergency assistance robot for rescue operations. Main objectives of this project are to design a low cost, efficient system that can detect obstacles in its surroundings, to integrate an ultrasonic sensor for accurate distance measurement, to use a servo motor for angular scanning to increase the detection range, and to control and monitor the robot remotely through Bluetooth.
When any obstacle occurs in front of the vehicle, the ultrasonic sensor detects it and stops the vehicle. The ultrasonic sensor looks left and right to see the obstacle. If the obstacle is situated in right, then it moves towards left, and if the obstacle is situated in left, it moves towards right.
Conclusion: the Autobot is a step towards using technology for human safety. By combining robotics, automation, and embedded systems, this project demonstrates how innovation can help in disaster management and rescue operations. Thank you for watching.